I tried everything, but no matter what I do, I can't motivate myself to build a kit. I don't get it, man. I don't.
Are you sure you tried everything?
Yes, everything. Everything. I tried everything.
Have you tried smelling the box?
Yes, I did smell the box a lot, by the way. It did not work. Nice smell though.
Amen to that, brother. Have you tried sleeping with the box?
Yes, I did try sleeping with the box. Don't ask how it ended up.
Have you tried watching more episodes of the anime?
Yes, I watched all 50 horrible episodes of Gundam Seed Destiny, and if anything, it just made things worse. Nice soundtrack though.
Have you tried building it naked? It works all the time.
Really? People do that?
All the time.
Dude, it actually worked. I don't know what happened, but I just took my clothes off and then my hands just started doing the work. It's amazing. Like, people actually do this.
Yes, I do. All the time.